side tour here. So we're in the 01 Jeep. Mileage is whatever that says, 178,035. Clock radio doesn't work half the time. I don't know what's up with that. Sometimes and other times. Uh-oh, can we make it in two-wheel drive? Let's see, baby. Unlikely. Ah, kidding me. Joke. That's funny. I know that was gonna happen. All right, got four-wheel high, baby. It's been my last snow driving of the year here.